Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. Yeah, so I haven't been on this channel in a while. It's been, I don't even know how long, but I have a few updates. So I wanted to make a video today because I do have some time and I just want to get back to making videos because I just think they're so much fun, and I have a lot to share. So today's gonna be kind of like a vlog update, follow me around video, kind of get ready with me, just kind of everything. Just a quick update. So I am not in Arizona anymore. I live in California now, back home. I'm actually in Orange County, in my new apartment. So maybe in the next video I'll do an apartment tour. Pretty much have everything, you know, settled in with furniture and decor and everything. So it's not completely done, but I'll probably do a little bit of an apartment tour. But yeah, like I said, today I just woke up. It is the start of the day, so I kind of just wanted to do a little bit of a vlog style and show you guys like what I eat throughout the day / what I'm gonna do today, and yeah, just show you a little bit of, you know, a little insight to my daily life. All right, so I'm gonna make breakfast because I'm so hungry. I usually have iced coffee and then something for breakfast, so let's go and see what I'm gonna make. But I already did make my iced coffee. Here's a little video of how I made it. All right, what are we going to have for breakfast? I don't know. Should I make like, frick, I don't know what to make. All right, so I think I'm gonna make avocado toast and like a sweet type of toast as well. Sweet and savory, so let me get all the ingredients together and I'll show you how to make it. All right, so that is my breakfast. I figured it out. So I just have some avocado toast right here. It's just avocado with some seasoning and a little bit of red onion, tomato, cilantro, some sesame seeds on top. And then I wanted something sweet, so I just have just regular jam on toast. And that's all. All right, update. It's late, much later on in the day. And I have decided that, you know, my hair is blonde currently and it is fall and it's been blonde for, I want to say like 4 or 5 months now. And it's time to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to go like completely dark brown, but I do want to do like a ash, like a light ash brown. So I just went to Sally's and I got this color. It's called it's by Wella. It's the Wella color charm and it is the coffee ice cream color. I'm gonna mix this up and see with some developer and see kind of like how much just one looks like, and then if I need more, I'm just gonna mix in this color. It's like the next shade over. I think this one might be a little lighter actually, like a lighter ash, but this one is called Root Beer Float. I'm just gonna put this on and we are going to see what it looks like. I'm excited for this change in my hair color, and I'll show you guys how I do it. All right, let's do this. I'm just using this glass dish with a spoon and my bare hands, but you know, if you're trying to dye your hair yourself, make sure you get the right things: gloves, an actual mixing bowl for dye, and read the instructions, okay? But since I've done this before, I know how it goes, and I'm just gonna do it fast so my hands don't get stained. So I'm gonna set y'all up like this. So I'm gonna do the coffee ice cream color first. I'm gonna do this. All right, so I've mixed it up pretty good, and I'm just going to apply this directly to my hair. This is so bad. Definitely get gloves. This feels so wrong to do with my hands. No, I think I might need to. Yeah, before I move on, I'm gonna mix the other color because I'm pretty sure this is not gonna be enough. All right. Didn't really get too messy. Oh, I got some on my back. What time is it? It's 7:05. It's been on my head for already like 5 minutes. So at 7:20, 15 more minutes, I'm gonna check on it. I mean, it already looks really brown, but you know, you want it to lock in the color and stuff. So at 7:25, actually, I'll probably rinse it out. All right, so, oh shit, my foot's asleep. All right, it's 7:26 right now. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and rinse it out. Let's see what it looks like right now. Woo, it looks pretty dark. All right, so once I rinse it out, oh shoot. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse it out. It'll definitely look lighter than this, I'm sure. And then we'll see what it looks like when it's wet, and then I'm gonna blow dry it and maybe press it out, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so I just washed my hair and conditioned it, and then this is what it looks like now. So it is a very it's like a light brown color. So it is, you know, it's darker because it's wet. So I'm gonna detangle it real quick, and then I'm going to blow dry it, and we'll see the finished look. All right, here is the finished product. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is exactly the color I was looking for. Something that has like, you know, some lightness to it. It's not super, super dark brown. It's like a nice chocolatey, milk chocolate brown. So I'm excited to see what it looks like in the day and in the sun, in the sunlight. But yeah, it was super simple to do. And you know, as I wash it in the coming weeks, the color will fade a little bit. So it might be a little lighter too. So I don't know, we'll see if I have to retouch it or if I like the lightness when it fades. But yeah, I'm a brunette now. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. It's been a long day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and definitely hit that bell button so that it'll notify you every time that I post. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Again, thank you so much for following me around today. You got a little insight of like what I eat slash me dyeing my hair. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.